Today we're going to introduce how to use the GEVI 54180 espresso machine to make a great cup of coffee. After receiving a new 5418 espresso machine, the first thing we need to do is set the water output volume to make sure the amount of water meets the standard for brewing good coffee. First, prepare a measuring cup with scale markings. Insert the portafilter into the machine. Place a non-slip mat underneath. Put the measuring cup in position and align it with the portafilter spout. Once everything is ready, press and hold both the single cup and double cup buttons to enter the setting mode. When the single cup and double cup buttons flash together, the machine has entered the setting mode. Press the double cup button to enter the double shot water volume setting. If you press the single cup button at this point, it will enter the single shot water volume setting. Next, we'll be making a double espresso, so we'll only demonstrate the double shot setting. Now observe the water output. When it reaches 45 milliliters, press the double cup button. Again, to stop the water flow, there will still be about 15-20 ml of water remaining in the portafilter that hasn't flowed out yet. Press the steam button to save the setting. When the power button light flashes 3 times and all lights stay on, the 54180 coffee maker's double cup water amount is set. The optimal double shot water volume is 60 milliliters. Next, prepare 13 grams of coffee beans. For a double shot basket, you can use 13-14 g of ground coffee. I'm using the GEVI 9406 grinder to grind the beans. Turn it on and preset it for a double shot grind. For espresso, the recommended grind size is between level 0 and 5. You can adjust the grind size based on the flavor profile of your coffee beans. I'm using a medium dark roast coffee bean, so I'll demonstrate using grind level 1. You can choose the grind size based on the beans you're using. Start grinding. Follow the grind size from the video. Level the coffee grounds. Clean away any spilled coffee grounds. Install the portafilter into the machine. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The machine will enter a preheating state. Once all indicator lights stay on, select the cup size you need. I'm making a double shot, so I press the double cup button. You can check the pressure gauge to see the current brewing pressure. When the needle is in the middle of the blue zone, it means the pressure is just right perfect. Now we can get a shot of espresso in excellent condition. With very rich crema. Next, let's froth the milk. Press the steam button. When the steam button light flashes, it means the machine is switching to steam mode. When the light stops flashing, the steam function is ready. Turn the knob on the right side to release steam. There may be some residual water in the steam wand before steaming. You can release steam first to purge the water from the wand. Once the machine produces steady steam, you can stop. Submerge the steam tip into the milk. Turn the steam control knob to start frothing. You can refer to the video for the correct position of the steam wand. The depth of the steam tip in the milk will affect the thickness of the milk foam. Adjust based on the type of coffee you're making. With regular practice, you can try making different coffee drinks. When the milk foam looks full and silky, you can stop. Now you'll have perfectly frothed milk. Next, combine the espresso and the milk. Come up with all sorts of patterns you like. That's all for today's sharing. We hope this helps you use the GEVI 54180 coffee machine. Thank you.